Still, 750,000 fewer people will be boarding planes this holiday compared to 2019. KPIX 5's Emily Turner is live this morning from Oakland International Airport, where travel season is taking off. But some folks have to get through those lines first, Emily.
Yeah, man, I'll tell you what, when we first got here, it was packed. Now, it's a little bit of a lull. You can see we're kind of in between departure time. You can pretty much tell by the way people are dressed where they're headed. We've seen a lot of Hawaiian shirts for those lucky ducks who are headed out there to the islands. But the line this morning was all the way through those doors out onto the sidewalk. I mean, I can't tell you when that's the last time we saw that, obviously, pre-pandemic. You know, after more than a year stuck at home, everybody who's finally started traveling again, they're so ready, and it shows. The airports have been packed. Now, the airport does expect here at Oakland more than 130,000 travelers over the 5-day holiday period. Now, that period started on Wednesday, and it runs until Monday. Today, however, is expected to be the busiest day of that period, with over 30,000 passengers just on Friday expected to use the airport on 110 peak day departures to 46 different nonstop destinations. Now, we've talked to people who are headed to Hawaii, they're headed to Phoenix, they're headed to LA, all sorts of different places. They honestly said they don't even care where they go as long as they get out of town. They just need a vacation and a change of scenery. And for many, this is their first trip since the pandemic.
I'm not, because we're double masked. It's a really short flight. It's Southwest. We'll be packed in like sardines, but you know, I think we got it figured out. So
It's got to feel good to get out of town.
it feels real good to get out of town, get out of the zip code. So we're excited about that.
And we talked to a family just a moment ago who, this is the first time again that they're traveling, but they said this year has been really hard for them. They've lost some family members. And so just being able to pick up, to take their family, get out of town, it's just a way to kind of leave the last year and a half behind them and to start to move forward, getting closer to normal. So I can completely understand that. And the interesting thing about all these travelers is Oakland is actually coming back to life a little bit faster than SFO or the San Jose airport. So all these people, they've clearly got somewhere to go and very glad to be going there. Reporting live in Oakland, Emily Turner, KPIX 5.